Right now, regular people with zero experience are making between $2,000 and $8,000 a month using AI, and most of them started less than 90 days ago. This video breaks down 5 specific AI-powered income methods that are working right now in 2026. These are not theories. These are not maybe someday ideas. Each one comes with real numbers, real tools, and a clear first step anyone can take today. Even with no background, no audience, and no money to start. Stay until the end. The 5th method on this list is the one most beginners completely miss, and it has the highest income ceiling of all 5. Method 1. Faceless AI YouTube channels. What if there was a way to build a YouTube channel that makes money around the clock, without ever showing a face, recording a voice, or sitting in front of a camera? That is exactly what a faceless AI YouTube channel is. The creator never appears on screen. AI handles everything: the script, the visuals, the voiceover, and in advanced setups, even the upload schedule. Here is how the money works. YouTube pays creators through the YouTube Partner Program. Once a channel hits 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, it qualifies for AdSense revenue. Channels in the finance, business, and AI niches earn between $8 and $22 per thousand views. That is called the RPM. A channel pulling 100,000 views a month in one of those niches earns $800 to $2,200 from ads alone. Add affiliate links and sponsorships and that number climbs fast. The AI stack that makes this possible: a script tool like ChatGPT or Claude, a visual generation tool like Runway or Pika, a voiceover tool like 11 Labs, and an editing tool like Pictory or CapCut. The workflow gets built once and then runs in batches. The best niches right now for faceless channels: personal finance, AI tools, real estate investing, and business advice. These niches have high RPMs and audiences that come back for more content consistently. The biggest mistake new creators make is trying to cover every topic at once. Pick one lane, post 30 videos, and evaluate from there. But here is the thing: building a channel takes time. What if there was a way to start making money with AI this week, without waiting months for a YouTube channel to grow? Method 2. AI-powered freelance services. What if it were possible to charge the same rates as a professional freelancer and deliver the work in a fraction of the time? That is exactly what AI freelancing makes possible. Traditional freelancing means trading time for money. AI freelancing means using AI to complete the work 10 times faster and keeping the difference. Here is a real example. A copywriter charging $500 for a sales page used to spend 8 to 12 hours writing it. With AI, that same writer produces a polished first draft in under an hour, spends another hour refining it, and delivers the same day. Same price, 1/10 of the time. The services with the highest demand right now: short-form video scripts, email sequences, LinkedIn content, website copy, and AI-generated images for brands. On Fiverr and Upwork, these services bill anywhere from $150 to $1,500 per project depending on scope. The key to making this work is positioning. The pitch is never AI-generated content. Pitch is speed, quality, and results. Clients do not care how it gets made. They care that it works and arrives on time. The fastest way to get the first client: go to Fiverr, search AI video script or AI email copywriting, look at the top 5 sellers, and model a new offer after what is already moving. No reinventing the wheel. Just match what buyers are already paying. For a focused freelancer can land their first client within a week and clear $1,000 to $3,000 a month within 60 days. But trading time for money, even at AI speed, still has a ceiling. The next method removes that ceiling entirely. Method 3. Selling AI-generated digital products. What if a product could be built once and then sold hundreds of times without doing any additional work? That is the core of the digital products business model. Build once, sell forever, and AI makes building that first product faster than ever. The products generating the most consistent sales right now: AI art packs for commercial use, Notion templates, Canva template bundles, prompt packs for popular AI tools, and printable planners. These are products buyers want. They are easy to produce with AI, and they live on marketplace platforms that handle all the traffic. The best marketplace for this right now is Etsy. A well-positioned AI art pack targeting a specific niche like minimalist business illustrations or motivational quote graphics can generate 50 to 200 sales per month at $7 to $25 each. That is $350 to $5,000 a month from one listing, with no ongoing work required after setup. The AI tools needed: Midjourney or Adobe Firefly for image generation, Canva for packaging and layout, and a free Etsy or Gumroad account to list the products. The fastest path to the first sale? Go to Etsy, search AI art print, sort by bestseller, find a style that is clearly selling, recreate 15 to 20 images in that style using Midjourney, bundle them, price them between $9.99 and $14.99 and publish. That whole process takes one afternoon. Digital products are as close to passive income as anything that actually works. But if the goal is higher monthly revenue, not just supplemental income, the next method is where the real money starts. Method 4. AI automation services for small businesses. What if a single afternoon of setup work could generate $500 a month, every month from one client? Small businesses are desperate to automate the tasks they are currently paying employees to handle manually. Answering customer questions, booking appointments, following up on leads, sending reminders. These are repetitive, time-consuming tasks that AI can handle automatically, and business owners will pay well for someone to set that up for them. The tools that make this possible require zero coding. Make, formerly Integromat, Zapier, VoiceFlow, and Bland AI. These are no-code platforms that connect apps, trigger automations, and run AI phone and chat agents. Anyone can learn the basics in a few days by watching free tutorials on YouTube. The pricing model that works: a setup fee plus a monthly retainer. A basic AI chat assistant for a local business, one that answers FAQs, books appointments, and sends follow-up texts. Takes 4 to 6 hours to build. It bills at $500 to $1,500 for setup, plus $200 to $500 month to maintain. Sign 3 clients and that is $600 to $1,500 every month in recurring revenue before even counting setup fees. The best industries to target right now: dental offices, real estate agents, fitness studios, and local e-commerce stores. These businesses have high customer interaction volume and feel the pain of missed leads immediately. The outreach approach: search Google Maps for that business type in any city. Find 10 businesses with under a 4.2-star rating or no chat feature on their website. Send a short message naming one specific problem and offering one specific solution. One yes is enough to start. 3 clients at $300 a month each is $900 in recurring income that comes in whether or not any work gets done that month. That is the power of a retainer model. But what if the goal is to scale past 5 figures a month without hiring a team? The last method is the one that makes that possible. Method 5. AI Content Repurposing Agency. What if the fastest way to build a $10,000 a month business was to help other people use content they have already created? Every creator, coach, and business owner is sitting on hours of content: podcasts, YouTube videos, webinars, blog posts, and most of them have no system for turning it into short-form clips, social posts, newsletters, or lead magnets. They are leaving enormous reach and revenue on the table. An AI content repurposing agency solves that exact problem. The service takes existing long-form content and turns it into 10 to 20 pieces of content per week using AI. The tools: Opus Clip or Descript for video clipping, ChatGPT for turning transcripts into social captions and newsletter drafts, Canva for visual posts and graphics. The business model: charge $500 to $2,500 per month per client for a done-for-you repurposing package. A solo operator can handle 3 to 5 clients at once with AI doing the heavy lifting. At the low end, 3 clients at $800 each. That is $2,400 a month. At the high end, 5 clients at $2,000 each. That is $10,000 a month. No office, no employees, no inventory. The pitch that closes deals: you are already creating the content. This service turns every piece of it into a full week of social posts, clips, and email content, so there is no more thinking about what to post. That one sentence is the entire sales call. The fastest way to land the first client: Find one creator in the niche with a podcast or YouTube channel. Take one of their recent episodes, run it through Opus Clip, pull 3 strong clips, write 5 captions based on the transcript, and send it all for free. That free sample does more than any pitch ever could. 5 clients, $2,500 each. That is $12,500 a month, built with AI tools, no employees, and no physical product. Here is the full picture. 5 AI income methods that work right now in 2026. Faceless YouTube channels that earn ad revenue around the clock. AI freelance services that turn hours of work into minutes. Digital products on Etsy and Gumroad that sell while asleep. Automation services that give small businesses recurring monthly income. And a content repurposing agency that scales to 5 figures with just a handful of clients. None of these require a following. None require a degree. None require startup capital. Every single one has been started by people with less time, less money, and less experience than most people watching this right now. The only question left is which one to start with.